If you're looking for delicious and high-quality imported goods, visit Kaldi Coffee Farm. It is a famous import shop in Japan and they have branches nationwide. Kaldi's imported goods come from different countries such as Korea, Mexico, Thailand, the Philippines, Brazil, and more. There are so many kinds of food and drinks you can find in Kaldi, such as wine, dried fruits, oats and cereals, chia seeds, lots of spices, peanuts, chips, chocolates, juice, and tea. They have dried fruits from the Philippines too, which is my favorite. Two of the other products I highly recommend are the La Casita avocado chips from Mexico and this puro chocolate. They're both so good. But if you're wondering what the most attractive and famous product in Kaldi is, it's probably coffee. Their coffee is high quality and the options are endless. They have floral mocha, Italiano, Brazil Canario, and so much more that I can't even pronounce. If you're a coffee person, this is definitely a very satisfying sight and you won't regret dropping by Kaldi Coffee Farm.